Hey, I am going to teach you how to do, which is broom, or as my mom likes to call it, the parachute, because there's a little trigger in it. It looks like a parachute. Yeah. And, yeah. Okay, so first positioning, you have to, show number 3. Come on, show it, Sophie. Yeah, number 3, I have to do that. Oh, then you lay this yarn on top of it. Like that. See? Now you open it, and it should look like this. Right here. Then you pull this, right here, down, but it has to be in front. Like, it has to go in front, not like behind of it, because it won't work. It'll just redo. And then do the same thing right here, like that. Only 2 times. 3 times, I have not tried that before yet, but, yeah. Now you do the same thing with this hand. You put it on your wrist, and you open it, and it should look like that. Okay, and then you have to grab these 2 lines right here, and then pull it. It's like this. Oof, okay. Like that. Then you pull it, and it should look like that. Then you put it in these exact 8 fingers. Then you put it behind the back of your hand, and then you pull it up. And, yeah, that is how you do it. It does look pretty cool. So, I guess I taught you how to do it. This was a short video. And be sure to watch the next learn how to make things with the string. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Watch the next video. Bye.